Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G5S Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Here let's slide to the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and let's move to the right corner to this button, the second from the right. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the capture settings, and here we have the shutter sound option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and another tap to turn it on again, like that. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.